Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yes,
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how was your test?
Sir, that's good. Good, sir. It was easy.
Yeah. Today I'll be posting the results after the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And everyone, turn on your cameras.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, Taruni. Why are you late?
Sir, today and sir, now you will discuss question.
Wait for the host to start the meeting.
Okay. See, whose duty today it was?
Sir, I think it is Shiran. You told that he will learn.
Everyone, turn on your cameras first.
Sir, quiz thing. You are asking about quiz.
Yeah.
Mine done.
Sir, it's me and Vedika.
You and Vedika. Yes, you done, Taruni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you, Vedika?
Sir, I have done.
Good. Can you please, both of you, please post your questions? First, you do one thing. First, thoroughly post your questions so that Taruni's question, Vedika also will write. And once Vedika posts, then Taruni will write. You know, the people who are posting their questions, they cannot write, right? If you are posting Taruni, your questions, you cannot write, I think so. You clear my point?
Sir, she can write, sir, by.
Yes,
by...
you can write. If you won't write, you can write as well. You also can write, no problem. All right, please post your quiz. Post you immediately. Make it fast. You know, within 5 to 10 minutes. Within 5
So
to
who will be posting first?
first, Taruni will post, and any one of you, no problem at all. First,
Okay,
if Taruni post it, Taruni, no problem. Taruni, are you posting? Share the link immediately.
Just a minute, sir.
quick, 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 quick. Vedika, how many questions you prepared for?
Sir, 3.
Yes. Taruni, what about you?
Sir, 3, sir.
Immediate, make it fast.
Sir, it's taking time. Internet issue.
Sir, shall I post the link?
Yeah, no problem. If it is taking time for you, Taruni, then let us post the link. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Vedika, please. Vedika, yes, Vedika has posted the link. Please quick, everyone join that. So now the time is 5:29. So everyone must be able to write, finish that quiz within like 2 minutes of time. So by 5:31, everyone must be able to finish that. 5:31, everyone has to submit. At 5:31, you must close the test. Vedika. Vedika, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I request you all, please turn on your cameras. Don't turn off your cameras. I don't see many of you are texting me after finishing homework. So that how many of you done with your homework, guys? I'm asking only how many of you are finishing your homework.
So that's statistics exercise, right?
Yes.
Yes, I'm done.
Statistics exercise, and today I'm going to share the worksheet. So
Sir, shall I start?
yes, you can please. How many of them join?
Sir, 12.
12. I need everyone to join. Please wait. Everyone should join, guys. Make it fast. How many of you guys joined? Still 7 members has to join. How many of them joined? Vedika.
Yes, sir, 13 joined.
Okay, what about others?
Sir, 16 have joined. Shall I start?
Yes, please make it fast.
Sir, can you share the link again?
Vedika has shared the link again.
Yes, sir.
I'm-
Got it.
Yes, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please wind up the quiz within a minute. Now it's 5:33, 5:35, you wind it up.
Okay, sir.
So no problem, make it fast.
Sir, my test is sorry, my quiz is
Sorry.
done, sir.
Okay, please wait. Yes. How many have you done, guys?
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I'm done.
Yes, sir.
So still 5
Sir, I'm
people
done.
have to complete.
Yes, you can wind up the quiz, no problem.
Okay, sir.
You can wind it up, done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, tell me the ranking.
So first is Tayaba, second is Ananya, third is Kavya, fourth is Jivika, and fifth is Piyush.
Oh, very good.
Sir, I stood 100%, but still I got third.
Yeah, that might be, even you get 100%, that is depends on who submitted the first accuracy and the fast. The fast you submit, the more result you get. Okay. Yes. Taruni, please share your link.
Sir, I'm not able to share the link, sir.
Why?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
So Taruni can just share her screen so that you can just guide her, or any one of us can guide her.
Sorry.
Sir, you can just ask Taruni to share her screen, sir, so that I can guide her.
Yeah, you can share. You can share your screen, Taruni. But how come you write? How do you write?
Sir, Toshika is saying that once if she share her screen, she can guide her.
Yes, sir, how we can share the link?
Like she can share a screen, right? And we can guide her.
Yeah, so if you can just share her
Acha, you
screen.
mean, you are asking for a guide. No,
To
no problem.
enable the screen
Yes,
share.
Taruni, please share the screen. 1 second.
Yes.
1 second. Can you be able to share?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, but
Sir, that
One
it is
second.
the-
Yeah, I think I have to make the voice. Yes, you can do that now.
no, sir, it's not showing yet.
no,
Yes, sir, you
Taruni,
have disabled.
not for us. It will show for Taruni.
Yes, she is sharing. Look at that.
Okay, so Taruni, just click in your quiz. Start a live lesson. I mean, wait, once again. Start a live lesson. Did you
Yeah.
make it like Taruni? You have to make it as a quiz, right?
Yeah, go back.
Oh man. Okay. So she created it like a lesson, sir. She didn't create it under the quiz column. She created it under lessons.
I didn't do anything. It normally came.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, well, just go back and then whatever procedure you follow, just click on that quiz and then just start a live lesson. I think that should work. Start a live lesson. And oh no, okay, you can't do anything in this, Taruni. I think you need to go to the quiz page. You need to create it under the quizzes. You created it under the lessons, so you can't do anything for this. You need to create it under quiz.
Okay.
Done.
Sir, if you admit, I have another quiz right now, and we can just play that.
Whom should I admit? I admitted everyone.
Oh no, not like that, sir. I'm asking you the permission.
Acha, you mean you want me to make a co-host?
No, sir, I'm asking you if you allow me, I can just share the link of another quiz and we can play.
Acha, no problem. You can share it.
Yeah, thank you.
Tushnika, have you shared the link?
1 minute, Tantra, I'm doing it.
Okay, sir. Great. Okay, then.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it.
So we have 10 participants for now. I'll just start the quiz as soon as it is 18 or 16.
Yes, please make it.
Then I got disconnected. Now what you're doing?
Nice. When you will start the quiz?
Make it first.
Sir, I mean, like, it's total of 24 students, but it's only 12 people who
23 has to join, excluding me.
Yes. Yes, sir, exactly. There are only 12 people. Now 13. Okay, so shall I start?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, there are 20 questions.
Sorry,
There are 20 questions.
is it so?
Well, yes, sir, but that's not.
Is it so, Rosnika?
Yes, sir. There are 20 questions. If you want, I'll end it between 10 questions.
Yes, yes, you can just finish it off. So, like you have 10 questions, right? So you can take like 5 minutes. So it's been like at 5:50 you wind up the quiz.
So as soon as the first 5 players finish, I'll just end up the quiz because if no one finishes, then it's going to be a tie.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir, done.
Only 3 people finished, sir. Rest of everyone are
Yes,
filling.
please. Wait a minute. Wait, one more minute. Last minute. Make it fast.
Done, sir.
So the quiz got ended.
How many have you done, guys?
Sir, the quiz got ended.
1 minute.
Yes, please.
The
So
quiz
the-
hasn't ended.
Oh, so should I reveal the top 10?
Yes.
So the first is Ananya, second is Jivika, third is Kavya, fourth is Piyush, fifth is Shrayan, sixth is Mohit, seventh is Vedika, eighth is Pranav, ninth is Bhargav, 10th is Aditi. That's it, sir. Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations, everyone. So, yes. Can you please tell me the top 5 name again?
So the first is Ananya, second is Jivika, third is Kavya, fourth is Piyush, and fifth is Shrayan.
Fifth is
Shrayan.
Shreyan. Okay. So, congratulations. I should see the remaining people who didn't get in top 5. I should see you all in top 5. Please, I should see have.
There's actually a clash, sir. Like Shreyans and Mohit, that's the same score. So
Yeah.
they both
See, yeah, I understand. See, even you have a score, same score, despite of having a same score, you might not be, getting in top five. So what will happen is you must be in a position to finish the quiz as soon as possible. You must finish the quiz so fast. If you solve fast, you will get, as I told earlier, if you solve fast, you will get good, score. Actually, there is a chance of, there is a probability of getting into top five is more. If you are submitting late, so that your accuracy will be low and you cannot submit, so you cannot get into top five. So always try for top five. So I would say that top five also, not the top three would be fine actually. So always try to fight for the top three. All right, is that clear with everyone? I request everyone to turn on your cameras. I don't see anyone turning on their cameras. I should not repeat the same thing again and again. You must understand this clearly. Everyone. Everyone. Children, everyone turn on your cameras. Everyone. And guys, tell me how many of you done with your homework?
Sir, repeat
Yes.
the question.
How many have you done with your worksheet? How many have you solved that? I'm asking you only. Taji, Gaji, almost done. We have done with the syllabus. I think, yes, very good. Toshnika, Kavya, Bhargav, Ananya, Vedika, very good.
Sir,
So
actually,
almost
I
we
was
have done with.
absent in previous classes, so that's why.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, I was absent, so that's why I was asking that have you completed?
So if look at this, now statistics, we have to discuss few more things in statistics. So if you have still any doubts, you can just go there and just watch the videos also. Yes, statistics we are going to solve now. Yes. 1 second. So let me, guys, and first and foremost step, any doubts from the question paper? We'll have a discussion on question paper today, probably. Any doubts in the question paper? Guys, any doubts in the first? Tell me the
No
first
doubt,
question.
sir, in the question paper.
No,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
Anyone?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No.
Sir, all are repeated, sir. That is a no doubt.
Yeah, repeated questions might be there, but I again, do you guys are making like come back from your mistakes or not? Do you guys making your like learning from your mistakes or not? That is the reason might be questions might be repeated. And guys, is there any difficulties in understanding the question? Was there any tough questions you got? Is there any something like that?
So I think nearly all our questions were repeated in like many of the previous tests.
Yes, yes. Okay. And guys, what about any any suggestions and anything you want to just give for that? Come on.
Can you repeat?
See, I mean, do you like to suggest anything regarding the test and all? Can you please?
There are different questions, sir. Like last test also same to same questions, sir.
Acha.
Like last test.
Okay. Then I think that from the topper it is generating the same thing actually from the topper. This is not
Yes, sir.
created manually from the website itself. It's like that.
Sir,
But
I think we can have like maybe word problems as well, sir. Since those are the kinds which are given as like HOTS questions for us.
Yes, sir.
okay. Definitely we'll do that. Any suggestions?
Sir, as you said before that the quiz, we are making a quiz, right, sir? That our art questions we should keep there, no, sir. Sir, we are keeping. You can try that. You can try to keep that questions, right? Sir?
Sorry.
Our art means you told us make a quiz that we don't know our topic. What topics we don't know? You told you will keep as it is in topper also, means like in a weekly test.
Acha. But same question. That will be also repeated, right?
Means that topic you can keep, no, sir. Means these are the same questions, no, sir.
That is the topic
So-
I'm keeping, right?
Yes.
That is the topic we are choosing. I'm not doing anything apart from that.
Yes.
Yes. What else? You can come on, you can suggest that. Anything? Come on, guys, tell me. Yes.
The first answer.
No. I think if you don't have a question paper, there is no point of discussing it. If you need a discussion for that, we'll go for the discussion. If you don't need a discussion, then let us wind up and we'll go for the statistics. Tell me. Tell me, that's your choice. Tell me, do you want me to discuss the question paper or?
Sir, directly let's go to the question answer, sir.
Sir,
Sorry?
I have a doubt, sir.
1 second. Sorry, shall we go for the question paper or statistics?
So statistics.
Okay,
Yes,
yes. Akshit, tell me, Akshit.
Sir, I have a doubt on the question paper, sir.
Tell me which one. That's what I'm asking.
Sir, I forgot the question, but I got it correct, sir. But I think the answer is wrong.
Which
Since,
one? Tell
uh,
me, which one?
1 minute, sir. I'll tell you the question paper.
I'm sharing the screen. Please identify that.
Sir, it's the question where it says that there's the zero of the zero polynomial.
Is that which question is that? What do you mean by zero?
So yes, sir, the 18th one.
Huh.
So like the root of the or
Huh.
the answer of the zero polynomial,
Huh.
shouldn't it be not defined, sir? Since like any of the root of the zero polynomial, which is already like the root, won't it be like it can be anything? So not only can it only be a real number or an irrational number also, sir? Like
Real numbers contain irrationals also.
Isn't it?
yes, sir.
Yes, real numbers is a family. Real number under real number family will have natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational, everything. Except the complex numbers, we have everything, isn't it? Complex numbers are a different family, but under real number we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational number, everything, isn't it?
Sir, so will it be any real number or not defined, sir?
See the whatever the answer is been given. Look at this. Any real number would be the right answer, not defined.
Okay, because even I had written any real number. That was the correct answer.
Yeah.
But when I cross-checked with Google, for it showed not defined. So that was the doubt I had.
Yes, sir, even I had the same doubt about this question.
Achha. See here, look at this here. What do you mean by zero of the polynomial?
The root.
One second. Let's put it here. See, zero means solution or root, isn't it? Root. So which
Yes,
means
sir.
if I substitute that, it must give me again zero. The polynomial becomes zero. So zero of the polynomial is what? All coefficients supposed to be all like coefficients of all coefficients all are equal to what? Zero here, isn't it? Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I think I think we have discussed this question in the previous thing as well, isn't it?
Yes, sir, we have.
So zero of the polynomial means coefficient of all things must be zero. Then let us write one thing. 1 second, guys. Let me write here. Guys, we are going to finish, almost like within one, probably next class, I'm going to finish statistics. So after that, we'll be having fully quizzes, doubt session and everything. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Look at this here. Zero of the zero poly is equal to what? Basically, what is a zero polynomial? Means all coefficients should be zero like this, isn't it? So what value if I substitute, so it becomes zero in place of x. Huh?
Any real number. Like
See what that is the answer. Look at what value if you substitute in place of x, so it becomes again zero. Any real number, isn't it? Whatever the number you substitute in place of x, it gives you zero only, right? Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, sometimes in Google also what will happen is, in Google also people will post answers like us only. It is not like authorized answer, isn't it? The people
Yes.
will post like us only. Students will be posting. There might be a mistake as well. Don't consider that.
Sir, it was in Google, it showed after the exam was done, even though I got it right, I cross-checked with like 4 or 5 questions because
Understood.
they were the same questions. So then it showed not defined instead of like real number, which was the correct answer in topper.
This was from the topper. This was from the conductor from the topper only. This is a topper question only.
Yes, so the answer in topper showed a real number.
That's what I'm telling you. See why? Because if you logic, look at this here. Whatever the x value you substitute, कोई भी ले लो x value कुछ भी रखो, zero ही मिलेगा मुझे. वही तो zero होता है, वही तो root होता है, isn't it? That is what my root. That is what my zero means solution. Yes. I hope it is clear with you.
Yes.
Yes. And any doubts, children? Any doubts from the question paper again?
No doubts.
Yes. Chalo, then let us go for statistics now. Chalo. Statistics, guys, please do follow your statistics problems. Don't be don't leave the statistics problem actually. So I think I asked you to do 14.2 as well from your textbook. Simply
Sir,
what?
one
Yes, sir.
exercise is completed for me, sir.
Sorry, what? Sorry.
Sir, all exercises are completed for me, sir. I'm
Yes,
done.
you have already done. So you don't have any doubts.
No, sir.
Okay.
Same, sir. You and I completed all of them.
Yes, guys, people, those who are done with your exercises, then, you just do different problems. Then actually we have discussed the concept, many students might have done with the statistic lesson from your school side. What we have done is we just revised the concept. Now it's your job that you just solve different book problems. You take R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma, your textbook, your NCERT textbook, your foundation book, solve. Just get the questions from that. We'll try to solve it. Everyone, guys, I'm not telling the people who have done with the statistics alone. Everyone, I'm telling you. Those who didn't finish also, they can ask, they can solve, they can try the problems. All right. Children, any doubts? I'm asking. Any doubts? How many of you done with exercises? How many of you are understanding that?
Yes, I'm done with statistic exercises.
Yes. Can you please, one second. Can you please raise your hands, everyone? Vedika, Piyush, Harini has done. Okay. What about others? Vedik,
Even I have done.
Kavya, Kazi. Bhargav, Devasri, Akshit, very good. What about Taruni? What about Taruni?
Yes, sir.
Are you following? Are you doing that?
Yes, sir, I am.
Very good. So, Bhargav, Aditya, Ayushman.
Yes, sir.
Rishikesh, Jivika.
Sir, I'm not completed with the whole exercise actually. There's 2 questions.
Please finish it up. Bhargav, what about you? Please finish it up and come up with your doubts, Rishikesh. Okay. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Yes, sir, I'm here. I'm here, sir.
Have you done, Rishikesh?
No, sir, I've not fully completed it.
Please make it. You have to do and just come up with your doubts. I'm asking.
Okay, sir.
If you have doubts, you can just ask me. If you don't have any doubts, there is no point of discussing that chapter. Then we'll go for another chapter. All right. Shreyan, what about you, Shreyan? Krishna Chaitanya and Modita, Mohit.
Sir,
Pranav,
sir, after
Sai
top of the exercise,
Ramachandra,
I'll let you.
Toshnika. Okay, finish rest of the problems as well. Toshnika, Sai Ramachandra, Pranav, what about these guys? Tell me. Hello? Hello?
So
Yes, sir.
about 80% of my exercises are done, sir.
Okay, finish the rest of the problems. What about Krishna Chaitanya?
Okay, sir.
Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Chaitanya, are you here? Krishna Chaitanya, are you here? He is not here. Okay, so maximum 90% of the people have done with the statistics. If you have any doubts, next class would be a doubt session, right? You can come up with your doubts. And guys, with this we have done with our term 1 syllabus. So after like Wednesday class would be doubt session, and Friday's class would be like test, or I will be again if you want me to discuss anything new topic, like I'll be discussing on that. So like we have done with our syllabus. Is there any doubt from the whole syllabus? You can ask every day. We can ask whatever the doubts you have, so that we'll have different quizzes every day basis. Every day we'll have quiz. All right, every day we'll have quiz. And if you want to suggest anything, you can feel free to suggest.
So, sir, from Friday we are starting term 2, or we are starting like a revision?
Not term 2, revision type, and we'll as soon as if you fully prepared with the term 1 syllabus, then only we can go for that. Until and unless we cannot. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, children. So I think we have done with the time. So today we have taken much time for finishing the quiz. And tomorrow, who's going to prepare the questions? Next topic. Next. Taruni, you please be ready with your quiz. Actually, you have to prepare your questions.
Yes, sir, it's ready, sir.
Okay. Now, next time you just have to post your questions as well. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
guys, next time, who on Wednesday, who is going to prepare except Taruni? Two, I just assigned 2 people, right? Who are they? Who are they? I just told 2 people. Who are they? I just assigned to make questions. I just assigned 2 people to make questions. Who are they?
Sir, you haven't assigned any.
Yes, sir. This time we didn't assign.
I
You have
just
assigned,
told.
sir?
I
Yes,
You
you
assigned.
told.
assigned, sir.
No, I assigned. Wednesday, Friday also I
So I
assigned.
think Krishna, Chaitanya, and Jeevika.
Yeah, might be. Please, those who have done, please finish up and be ready with your questions so that we can write a quiz on that. Okay. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Bye, guys.